Afternoon peeps, well here we are again, one brake press made over the weekend. Now you'll notice the whole thing's screwed and glued and bolted together unfortunately. Yeah, that's compliments of the fact that I can't use the only welder I've got. It's an arc welder. And unfortunately I have a ICD fitted, which I commonly call an IED. Look at the dust on that shelf. And I can't use the bloody thing because it sets my heart off. So what I've ended up doing is adapting everything I do. I'm now going to draw a line on that one and a line on that bit there, and we're going to bend them. That's cheap shit galv, and that's a piece of scrap stainless steel, and we're going to see how we do. Okay, here we go. One piece of cheap shit galv. Let's see if we get a nice clean bend on my blue line is what I'm hoping for. Slightly over the 90. A bit too slightly, I think, there. Nice and clean and straight until I get my fingers on it. Look, big meaty fingers ruining the pit bend I just done. Right, let's crank it open and see whether we bend on the line or before the line or after the line. Any one of the three would be good as long as we bent it. Gives a mo while I undo this thing and I'll be right back. I'm not sure how good the camera's going to show this, but that appears to be smack on the line. It's about a 5mm bend angle. Nice roundy corner there, look. That's not bad at all, considering it's all bodged. Now let's try a bit of stainless and see if we can break it, because it's going to be doing 12 bends on to make a stainless box up, and then I'm going to disassemble it and put it away, which is the way things work in my workshop. So let's see if we can get it to do a bit of stainless. I'll be back in a moment while I set it up. Right, here we go. One bit of stainless. Using one of the handles, it's kinking it a bit on the way up. Let's have a look what we do. Wasn't the best bit, as you can see. It was a bit trashed beforehand. Let's see what the bend's like. It was right in the middle, this, by the way, so it was the hardest place for this thing to actually deal with a chunk of stainless. Oh, I overbent that some. Look at that. Let's go get another bit. We'll try that again with a bit that was actually flat to start with. Here we go, yet again. I'm hoping, because I'm only using one of the handles. Oh, that's pushing that bar terribly out. Can you see? We'll go for a 90 and we'll see what we get. I think 1mm stainless is just a bit too much. It's good job stuff on bendings, 0.7. So but we'll have a look and a try and see what happens. It's the only way to do things. Oh, that's a huge curve on it. Look at that. What's that, 10, 12mm at least? Needs strengthening on that middle bar. It just bowing out on me. I'll have to go see if I can find something to fit the length and just add a strength to it. Oh, cut finger. Never mind. Should have wore gloves, you silly fart. So there we go, it can do it. It does it relatively good. I overbent it again, mind you. Must like overbending. Da 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 da. Bend over. Yes, there you go. Enough of the imitation. So it can be done. I've done no welding to this. It's a piece of old bed iron, side of a bed, that a friend gave me because he had gallons of it lying round his old barn, and it is now a brake press. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Afterthought, I thought I'd be clever and try it near the clamps just to see what sort of a bend we get at the clamps. Now we're at about 90 there. That don't look that bad. Helps when you use two hands on the handles, so blame me for that. So obviously it's twisting off centre when you don't use two hands and it's only cheap shit metal. But there you go, nature of the beastie. That's much nicer look. Yeah. That'll do the job to build a box. So I need to bend it with two hands because it gave me a better corner with two hands. Let's see if I can see where I just threw that bendy bit. Give me one moment, I'll get it. Yep, here we go. That's the other one I did. You can see I straightened it a bit. Not good though. But you can see the actual second bend I did. Yeah, he's quite tight, but I used two hands on that one. So the hinges I've got are obviously deforming when they're stressed at one end and allowing the bar to move. But that's not an issue. It's got a little bit of an hammer job, a little bit of a bend it job, and job done. Hey, chuffed to tiddlywinks. See you next time.